Hey everyone, this is Sean at Pat O'Brien Chevrolet in Vermillion, Ohio, and we are looking at the screen of a brand new 2021 Silverado Heavy Duty, and I'm going to show you real quick how to access optional camera views that are available on the vehicle. So this is an LT model, so it's got the upgraded radio. Depending on which model you have, if you've got a custom or work truck, the radio screen may look a little different, but the button you're looking for, and it might be over on the second page, is this button right here that says camera. What it'll normally show you is going to be the rear backup camera. As you can see below, this is the backup camera. That's the one that's currently being viewed. This is the optional bed view camera right here, and this is the hitch view. So the hitch view utilizes the same camera as the backup camera. You just tap the button on the screen and there it goes. You can actually do this while driving, and you'll get a little timer up in the top right of the screen that'll count down from 10 for 10 seconds. It won't stay up as continuously as you're driving, but it will display for a short period of time. If you have the bed view camera icon, it'll show right here. You just tap it and there you go, looking inside the bed. That camera is mounted above the cab of the truck in the high mounted stoplight there. Gives you a great view and the ability to see everything that's going on, or perhaps if you're hooking up a fifth wheel or a gooseneck, something along those lines, you can help line things up that way. If you have the optional trailering cameras, you'll see these two icons right here. This one's for the invisible trailer camera, the Gee Whiz one that they show on the commercials. This one's for the one inside the vehicle that you can put inside the trailer of the vehicle. Those two cameras, if they were active, they would also be bright white like the other icons. So as well, when you're in the rear, there's one more button here, so I might as well show you how it works. So this is going to show you if you're lining up a trailer. Gives you a single line, you can turn it off, or it gives you the guidelines, which will also move with your steering wheel and show you the arc of the vehicle and what direction it's going to go in either way. So hope this quick video tutorial helps out on using the cameras in your all-new Silverado. Please watch for more, and have a great day.